going to talk about science. Did you see our outfits? What do you think we are dressed as? 5, 4, 3,
Pause the video if you like.
1, 0. We are scientists. So today we're going to learn about science. But there's a big question. Do you know what science is? Danny, do you know?
No!
I know. Science is when we learn about the whole world around us. Today, we're going to be actual scientists because we are going to do an experiment of balloons. So, are you ready for the first one, Danny?
Yes!
But before we do it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel,
Danny and Julie Wonderlab.
Now we're going to get the items in
3, 2, 1. Oh, you are there.
What have you put on to make this science experiment?
I just put to be a crazy scientist. And what did you put on?
I put this just in case that there wouldn't be an explosion.
Okay.
This balloon experiment, you will need balloons, straws, sellotape, string, and scissors.
I'm going to turn this balloon in a rocket ship.
Wait, Danny, but how?
For this, you need 2 objects that are the same height and they have to be one opposite the other.
We used chairs.
You need a long piece of string that will be long enough to reach the 2 chairs.
It's so long.
Then on one side, you have to tie the string.
Okay, on one side. I don't know how to tie them. Help me. Thank you.
Then thread the
Like this.
string through the
Like this.
straw until it goes out.
Like this, Danny.
Yes. Once your straw is in your string, ask your assistant to give you 2 pieces of tape to be long enough to go on the straw and the balloon.
Like this. This long.
Yeah. One has to be on the left side, one on the right side, but not right at the end.
Like right in this
Yeah.
position. Last strip. Oh, stick.
And leave it like that. Now we have to tie the string to the other side of our chair.
Right over here. But make sure the string is tight. Come here. Just come here and I wanna come. Danny, how did you do it?
I come to help you, don't worry.
Thank you, but I just made a knot for no reason.
To make your string more tight, put one chair more away from the other one. Now I'm going to help Julie.
Now it is time to blow the balloons.
You have to hold it like that. This big will be okay. Remember, do not tie the balloon.
Is this? I need some help. If you can't make it, ask a grown-up to help you. This goes here. Oh my God. No, Danny, no! I'm crazy.
Once you're ready, you have to bring your balloon back. So the bottom of the balloon will face a chair. So we have to leave the balloon and then it will launch from here to there. 3, 2, 1. side.